The root zone is important because our moisture balance is calculated based on the root zone. So it's important that you get the root zone right. To make any changes to the root zone after having set up the block, we go blocks, list, and come up with this list. Now go to the icon here that says edit root zone, click on that, and the root zone edit window will come up. Now what's very important here is this is not the root zone where it starts and ends. In other words, don't think you should have 1 inch at the top and 30 inch at the bottom. This means the total root zone, how deep it is today, and if it's in a mature plant, then the root zone today is equivalent to the root zone maximum. If this was corn, you might put it in starting at 4 inches, and I'm putting in 4 inches even though the corn might be even smaller. I'm putting in 4 inches because that's where my first sensor is on my electronic probe, and I need to have at least one sensor within that root zone. So I'm going to start it at 4 inches and hit my go to 24. And if I put it in this way, the software will model the growth from there, calculating the root zone, the water holding capacity within this little zone, and slowly grow it to this. And the rate of growth is set along with our crop coefficient file. So if you have made this kind of a change, you should go to recalculate water balance to have that take effect. Save these changes and then select the time frame where you need to have it recalculate from. This button will recalculate everything, but use it sparingly because if you have a lot of data, it'll take a long time to recalculate. And then click the select button and it'll recalculate the whole data set for you.